Konnichiwa, what's up? We're Group 5 from Grade 10 Ambassadors. And first, let us introduce ourselves. I am Angel Dela Cruz.
I am Ericka Gayle Leal.
And I am Zhamuel Guno.
And today, we're going to talk about why did I pop my black hat yesterday? Just kidding. We're going to talk about how lenses are used in projectors. But first, what really is a projector? Is it a robot? Is it a spy? Is it a food? Or is it a thing that you can use while you're taking a bath? But no, this is how it looks like. Tada! This is my mini projector. Yes, it may have same type of lenses with the other projectors, but it just differs from its size. Because we have different types of projectors such as overhead, slide, LED projector, and many more. So we all know how it looks like, right? But what really is a projector? A projector or an image projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly called projection or widescreen. I don't have a projection or widescreen at home, but you can use white blanket or white surface to have a clear image. As you can see, this projector creates an image by shining a light through its small transparent lens. We're going to know what type of specific lenses are used in projectors. But what really is a lens?
In science, a lens is a transparent device with two curved surfaces, generally made up of glass or plastic, that forms an image of an object using refraction. On the other hand, mirrors are smooth reflecting surfaces, usually made up of polished metal or glass that has been coated with some metallic substance. Some of the people think that mirror and a lens are just the same, but no, they both form images. However, they have different explanations on how the images were formed. Mirrors can be flat or curved, and the mirror with the flat surface is called a plane mirror. When you look directly into a plane mirror, you will see the reflected image of yourself. The image you see that is upright and appear to be behind the mirror is known as a virtual image. In lenses, when the light goes through it, then it will be refracted.
In line with this, lenses have two focal points, one on either side of the lenses. They are divided into two types. Convex, also known as converging lenses, and concave lenses are also known as divergent lenses. The position which the rays converge or diverge from the image. When the optical system allows the rays to converge to a point, a real image is formed. A virtual image is formed at the spot which they are appear to come. In addition to that, a convex lens is thicker at the center than at the edges, while a convex lens is thinner at the center than at the edges. As Ms. Leal said, it has two focal points, but it's not just that. It also has two centers of curvature, and the midpoint where it is located at the middle of the surface of the lenses. However, what's the purpose of that?
Us to determine the location, size, and kind of image formed by a lens by using ray diagrams. It goes the same with curved mirrors. Moving on, the projector has a concave mirror inside that reflects light from the intense source back into a pair of condenser lenses, which looks like two conjoined plano convex lenses. The condenser lenses direct very bright light through the slide to the projection lenses. The projection lenses are mounted in a sliding tube so that they can be moved forward or backward for a sharp and a clear image to be focused on the surface. If you want a smaller, closer picture, you have to move the lens away from the slide. The projection lenses put a real inverted image of the slide on the surface. To get an upright picture, you have to mount the slide upside down.
There's also a specific type of lens that is used in some projectors, which is a convex lens. It is a converging lens that converges rays of light traveling parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis, and the light rays meet at the focal point. It is also used in eyeglasses to correct farsightedness. So that this is also used in projectors to have a magnified image. Convex lens is placed in front of the object such that object is between f prime and 2f prime. And this is how it looks like. When light passes through it, we get an image on screen larger in size compared to the size of the object. Plus, the image is inverted. So actually, there is an inverted video going on inside the overhead projector that we see in our school, which then is projected on screen inverted. So, we can see it upright. In overall, the nature of image is beyond C, real, inverted, and larger than the object.
The projector is first created in 1659 by Christian Huygens, a Dutch scientist who used a concave mirror to direct light from a lamp onto a glass side that had the image. Concave is the lenses used in projector because it scattered the light on the larger surface. On the other hand, convex lens is also used in some projectors. We are able to see small image into large size. More scientists created their own style of projectors, such as opaque projectors by Leonhard Euler and Megascope by Jackie Charles. And now we have several various type of projectors like LCD, smart, laser projectors, and many more. They may have different functions but have the same purpose, and it is to project an image onto a surface.
That is all, and Ericka thanks very much for listening. We hope that you haven't learned something about my black hat, but instead you learned more about lenses in projectors.